Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make an adjustable lock nut and lever for my tool post. It's very time consuming, reaching in and tightening this and loosening it, grabbing your wrench out of your drawer. And I want to make a nut. And I got a real, I think, pretty cool design that I want to try. And we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to do a nut and a 3-piece and a lever coming off of here that I can go ahead and tighten. Tightening some tooling stock. Take off that shoulder right there to match that part right there. So now I'm just gonna set my center line for my bolt holes inside the second piece so I know where to drill. Now I just flipped up my center line, and off my square, combination square, I zeroed it out to find my other center line. So now I just split the difference, put a little mark, and then just use a ruler and then split pi. So now I know exactly where my center punches need to go. Use the tap M14 by 1.5. So I'm going to get my spacing right here, and I think I'm going to do a 0.2000 shoulder and depth about the same on this nut. So I'm tapping 8 holes on this part right here. So I just finished drilling the shoulder times 8. And they're all in there, locked in there pretty good. That's the next step. So now I'm just going to use the bolt that come with the tool post, and I stuck it in there and put the nut on the back side, and I'm just going to jam it and lock it with the handle that I already drilled, and I'm going to turn it. ahead and set it up for about 1.5 inches. It's 1.5 inch material. Just going to do a radius round on this end. Going to make 2 levers for handles. So I'm pretty pleased with the way this turned out. It feels really good. I can just pop that with the palm of my hand. So you just take out the screws. So I just want to do a little recap. This is the bottom piece that screws onto the nut right here. All these screws come out. And you can line up wherever you want your handle in the holes. And you put your screws back in here. This is a machine part. The finished piece. And this is the cap. Again, I took and drilled, put a set screw, put a ball bearing in there, put a little shoulder on the screw going in, so it'll rotate but it won't come out. Now, my goal was to help pull it out when I was done with it. The last piece here is made a sleeve and the handle.